Y'all grab those decorative file folders because we are crafting them today. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. File folders. We love them. We're using them today. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me, my channel, and now my daughter, Erin. Y'all, she was blown away by the response to her tumblers and coasters. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked below. I'll also have the link to my website if you want to go out and place an order for a tumbler or some coasters. So most of you know that I love decorative file folders and I love crafting with them. They're paper and we should treat them just as we would any other paper that we use in our paper crafting. Today, I'm going to show you something oh so awesome that we're able to make with our decorative file folders. I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, so here are the file folders that I'm working with in today's craft. We're only going to need one of them because I've already made two of the items and I'm going to be doing mine in a set of 3. So I got these from Pop Shelf last year. They were $3 for 6, and y'all, that is an absolute bargain because look at these quality file folders. I know a lot of you are getting file folders from currentcatalog.com or from Amazon, or you might see them in TJ Maxx, Home Goods, whenever you're in those stores. If you're international, you probably have other sources for being able to get your hands on some decorative file folders, but they aren't just for filing papers. We can definitely use these in our paper crafting, and that's what we're doing today. Because today, like I said, I'm doing mine in a set of 3 because we're going to take that third file folder and we are going to create the cutest little folder for our notepads, and I'll add the notepad to it. Y'all, isn't this so stinking cute? And it's going to be so easy. I can see a trio of these being sold very easily at your craft fairs. So if you're planning on doing craft fairs, whether now or later in the year, go ahead and save this one to your craft fair playlist. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So here are the 3 file folders. I've already done these 2, and we're going to work with this one. And then I have a pack of the 5x8 notepads from the Dollar Tree. You get 3 in this pack, and each one has its own chipboard backing. So I'm able to separate these into 3s and add 1 to each notebook. Easy peasy economical. So I'm going to take my folder and I'm going to open it. Position that middle fold line at 5 1/4 and cut. I'll save this piece because I can probably use it in another craft. Then I'm going to take it and rotate it to the opposite side. This time I'll position it at 5 1/4, and I am just going to make a score at 5 because I need to get my spine first. So all I did was position that score mark at 5 1/4, and I scored at 5. Now I'm going to take that score mark that I made and let's just slide it over to 5 1/4 and cut. So now we can take our score mark and just fold and burnish it, and that's going to give us our spine. So that's how easy that part is. So now I'm going to take it and turn it to the 11 1/4 inch side, and I'm just going to score all the way across at 3 1/8. So then I'll fold and burnish this. Then I'm going to take my finger blade, and where I have the score mark here, I'm just going to angle in slightly on that score mark. And then where we have the score mark over here, we'll angle in slightly on that score mark to create 2 independent pockets. So now I'm just going to trim off a little bit of this, and then I'll just go in and trim this down to a little piece like that. I'm going to take our glue, add just a little bit of glue there, take this and just fold it and put it down So now we're going to take this pocket and I am going to add some glue right along this edge here. Now this is so easy. And if you have some file folders that you really like, this is a great way of using them. So let's just get that nice and stuck. Okay. All right. So y'all, the way that I'm going to do mine is it's going to be a one and done because this is not meant for a lot of repeated use. It will be a one and done. But if you don't want to make yours a one and done, all you have to do is take the back and put it in this pocket here. And you're just going to glue right along this edge and just glue that closed. Now mine will be a one and done. So I am just going to add some tape to this. And we're going to fold up like that. I could have removed it, but I like the stability that I get. So now I'm going to open this. I'm going to add some tape to the back here. And I am finding that this tape runner has a very good stick on it. I'm still on the fence a little bit, but I will at some point make a decision about whether or not this is a tape runner that I want to share with you guys. We're going to take that pad and we just place it in like that. Y'all, it's one and done for me. So there, y'all. That's how easy it was to make this little notepad folder from a file folder. Super, super easy. So as you can see with these, I added a little decorative cut apart to the top. I don't think that I'm going to do that with this one because I like that flower and I want the flower to be the decoration all by itself. But we can take these and I am just going to cut out a cut apart, a large one. Then I'm going to mount that cut apart to this paper. And I'm going to place it down like this. Then let's trim away the border. And now I'm just going to take this and put it across the top like that. We're going to take some of our crinkle seam binding and just tie it on the front to create a cute little decorative front to this. So I'll go ahead and trim this. And now, y'all, we have an absolutely adorable trio. I'm going to go ahead and open it like this so that you can see the inside. And you can see that I could have put a cut apart here or a sticker here. You can totally do that. Same thing with this one. I added a little cut apart to the pocket to show you that the pocket is a working pocket. And then the same thing here. So you can even make notes on this particular file folder because it has lines. So y'all, wasn't that quick, easy, and so much fun? Pull out those file folders and turn them into something absolutely useful, whether you want to use it as a gift, as a saleable at your craft fair, or to keep for yourself. All three work for me. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's super awesome little video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.